Starting your day with a morning routine can change your entire life. It sets the tone for everything that follows. When you follow a good morning routine, you feel more organized, focused, and ready to face the day. Morning routines help you build good habits. Instead of rushing or feeling stressed, you give yourself time to prepare mentally and physically. This calm start makes it easier to handle problems and stay productive. A morning routine improves your health too. Simple actions like drinking water, stretching, or eating a healthy breakfast give your body the energy it needs. When you take care of yourself in the morning, your mind becomes clearer and your mood improves. Having a routine also creates discipline. When you do the same positive actions every day, they become automatic. This builds self-control, which helps you make better choices throughout the day. Morning routines increase focus. By dedicating time to plan your day or set goals, you reduce distractions. You start your work with a clear mind and a purpose, so you get more done. In short, morning routines are important because they help you be healthier, more focused, and more productive. They give you control over your day instead of letting the day control you. If you want to feel better and achieve more, creating a morning routine is a simple and powerful step. Try it tomorrow. Wake up a little earlier, do some light stretching or drink water, and plan your day. You will notice the difference soon.